Hi guys, welcome again to my channel RhemaRhey, and welcome again to another episode or another tutorial. Today I'm going to do crochet straight braids. Like I've flat twisted my hair, and like I'm showing you, we're going to use a weaving cap. I got this from another YouTuber, but I'll get back to that later. So I'm going to use the Abuja Maxi, which only goes for $1.80 or 180 shillings, and I'm going to use 1.5 pack. So I'm going to just wear the weaving cap. I did not cornrow my hair, but I will do a separate video on how you can do the flat twist. So today we're just going to do the crochet tutorial. So I'm just ensuring that I have the weaving cap in the right place, because I'm going to wear it for a while, and it was so tight. So I wanted to know, I just wanted to make it make it feel perfect in my head. So we're going to use a crochet. So right now I've already done half of my head, and I'm going to be back after I'm almost done. Okay, so now I have done most part of my head, and what we are going to do, we are going to cut the weaving cap where we wanted to part our hair. So just be careful not to cut your hair. So like I said, it's too tight, so I'm not able to grab it, but I'm trying my best so that I don't have to cut my hair or even the braiding hair. So now the weaving cap was quite uncomfortable, but you just have to manage. But I felt like it was a better option, reason being that when you braid it with your hair, it's much easier than just using your hair alone. And actually this was the difficult part, because like my edges, like I said before, if you know me, if you've been watching me, my head is very sensitive. My scalp is sensitive, so actually my edges are the most sensitive. So here I'm just going to show you how I do the crochet, and let's just watch that again. I had separated the hair off camera. So you just put the crochet in your hair, then you don't even have to close the latch if you are gentle with your hair. And then you take one piece, and I'm going to sometimes I would close it, for lack of a better word, like, secure it. I would secure it after I would secure it 2, 3 or 1 time, but I'm going to show you where I would do 1. But for this part of my hair, I'm just doing it thrice, and just be careful with the crochet, because sometimes it can snap your hair and you really don't want that. So I'll just let you guys watch, And as you're watching, please, you can just pause the video, like, comment, subscribe. So here I'm just using the main choice control edge, because that's where we want our part to be, and we want it to be sleek. And I know that I did not feather the hair, but you will see when I comb it, because I wanted it to have some volume at the middle length of the hair, if that makes sense. So, and actually this is my first time. I was excited to do this, and I think I did good. So far so good, but I'm going to try this so that maybe we can learn more, because I watched this from another YouTuber. She's called Jess, and I'm going to link her video in the description box below, so check it out. At this point you want to you don't want to space out the braids, because you want it to look natural, so take care of that. So I'm just filling in the hair. At least let's give this video like 10 likes, and you can also subscribe and comment down below that you have subscribed. Also turn on the bell notification so that you can get my notification whenever I upload. I'll be uploading every Saturday, and if there will be any changes, I'll be more than glad to let you guys know. You can also share with your friends. Comment down below the tutorials that you want me to do, your hair challenges, what you think I would have done better in this tutorial, or what you think I did that was good or that was new. And be sure to check out the dresses video. It's going to be down below. I think hers was just amazing, and I was inspired by her. But watch it for more.
Mapenzi hayana mwenyewe, unaweza penda kijana au mzee. Niite jina langu baby, huenda nafsi yangu itapoa. Shika moyo wangu baby, unavyokwenda mbio wewe utapoa. Kuna muda namwomba Mungu angekuleta mapema.
And also when you're, like I said, when you're at the part, you wanna do smaller braids, because they won't look natural if you don't take small braids. So the idea is to make it natural. So here I'm just doing the final touches. I had already combed it, and I was like, let me just fill it up, because by there I used one, and if I didn't say since they are the long braids, I cut them into half. So I had like a 3/4 of that braid left, and that is what I used. Then I just used like another third of it. So maybe you can half of it is enough if you're going to cut the hair, and if you're not going to cut the hair, one will just be enough. So this is under $3 or under 300 shillings if you're in Kenya. So be sure to try it out. Tell me what you think, how it came out. Also share your tips on how I can improve my crochet to look more natural. Comment, like, subscribe, share. And also for a shout out, like I said, just subscribe and I'll be sure to name one or two of you in my next video. And for that to happen, just comment that you have, after you have subscribed, and press the bell button to get my notification. Just say I've subscribed, and then we'll do that next time. I will give one or two of you a shout out in my next video. So I'm just combing. I'm so happy I'm done. I'm just combing the hair, and as you can see, the middle part has volume, and that is what I wanted. So I'm just going in with a rasta band because I wanted my part to look so I just did this for like 5 minutes, but the longer the better, because the next day it was just looking amazing because it was really flat. Now I'm just going in with the Dark and Lovely all natural weave and braid refresher. I'm going to put the products, all the products that I used, in the description box below, and you can see how amazing it just makes the braid look amazing. And like I told you, the volume is on point. That's what I was looking for. So you want to comb your hair in a way that you won't mess up the braids. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.